How do you detect AI coding bias effectively? Imagine you're building a robot that writes code for you. How do you make sure it treats all users fairly and doesn't favor one group over another? That's where detecting bias in AI coding comes in. First, understanding what AI coding bias is helps. It happens when AI tools produce outputs that unfairly favor or hurt certain groups because of biased training data or flawed algorithms. Bias can hide in the data or show up clearly in the results. Next, you need to use both numbers and observations. Quantitative methods involve measuring bias with fairness metrics like disparate impact or false positive rates across different groups. These numbers show if the AI favors some groups over others. Qualitative analysis means reviewing the AI-generated code or decisions for patterns. For example, does the AI exclude certain programming styles or libraries linked to specific developer groups? Spotting these patterns can reveal hidden bias. Special tools can help detect bias more easily. Open-source options like Equitas or Google's If tool analyze model performance across different groups. They can show if the AI behaves differently for various types of users or coding styles. These tools can check data before training, during training, or after the model is built to find and fix bias. Since bias often starts from training data, examining that data is key. Look at the diversity of the data. Are all coding languages, styles, and developer backgrounds well represented? If some groups are missing or underrepresented, bias might be present. Also, trace how data flows through the system to see where bias might be introduced. Regular testing is essential. Run the AI coding tools on different test cases representing diverse users and coding scenarios. Use cross-validation and holdout datasets that include various coding practices and backgrounds. Keep an eye on performance over time to catch any emerging bias. Combining automated tools with human review makes the process stronger. Automated systems can flag potential issues, but experts in coding and ethics should review these cases. Humans can interpret context and nuances that AI might miss, making bias detection more accurate. Following ethical AI coding practices is also important. Document how the AI model was built, what data was used, and known limitations. Involve diverse teams during development to reduce blind spots. Educate developers about bias risks and encourage feedback on biased outputs. If you're learning to code with AI tools, knowing how to detect bias helps you spot when AI suggestions might be unfair. Use your judgment to question AI outputs and report issues. Explore bias detection tools to build fairer projects. Overall, finding bias in AI coding involves a mix of data analysis, using special tools, ongoing testing, and human oversight. Combining these steps ensures your AI tools help you learn and code in a fair, responsible way, avoiding hidden biases that could cause harm or unfairness.